In this video, we will introduce you to the best hair for crochet braids. We will also show you how to do crochet braids and ways to prepare your hair for this hairstyle. On this channel, we give a random shout out for our subscribers. If you want to get mentioned in our next video, you should subscribe now and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our new videos. Shout out to Blossom Fame TV. We appreciate your support. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hairs for crochet braids. Number 1, 16-inch spring twist crochet braids hair. Our best overall pick is kind of synthetic hair, spring twist style, length 16 inches. Beyond Beauty's spring twist crochet braids comprises Canviiy synthetic fiber. They are natural looking and tangle free to be worn for any occasion or season. This set of crochet braids is bouncy and soft, has a compact appearance, and is simple to install. You can choose a length going from 8 inches to 16 inches. These springy twists will erupt out at the rear of your head, and 3 to 6 bunches of these expansions are needed to accomplish the plaited look. The set incorporates 30 roots for each pack, just as a guidance manual to help you en route. This is one of the best hairs for crochet braids. The pros are it's simple to set up. A variety of colors are available. It has a user manual included in it. Also, it appears natural. It's tangle-free and has no odor. The cons are the colors may be unappealing. Number 2, Hui Goddess Locks Crochet Hair. Goddess Locks Crochet Hair is a great stitch interlace style from Hui. This sew's hair mesh is a manufactured hair and highlights goddess locks or tight twists on the top and delightful free waves at the base. It gives your hair a simple to parade standard hair look that you can rock at any event and feel like a goddess constantly. The hair material is delicate, smooth, lightweight, minimal, glossy, and velvety. It doesn't separate effectively and comes in 6 bunches of 24 twists and a stitching needle to assist you with sewing it in with your normal hair. The pros are it's simple to sew in. It appears natural. It has tight curls. It isn't easy to separate. The Canviiy hair extensions are made entirely of Canviiy. It contains 6 braid packs of 24 braids. It can do a full head of hair and lightweight. However, the cons are it may possess a bad odor. Number 3, Harlem 125 Synthetic Hair Braids. The Harlem 125 Synthetic Hair Canviiy braids make you look provocative, charming, without attempting a lot. These are accessible in different shadings. These are a half-breed between a curve and a wave, giving your mane the voluminous sea wave-like appearance that is engaging and restless. This crochet meshing design is made of manufactured Canviiy mixed fiber that is non-combustible, launderable, and snaps right back to being wavy after each wash. It arrives in a pack of 4 or 6 and is sufficient to cover the whole head. The main drawback is that you can't twist them using a pole. In any case, this Canviiy mesh crochet is a breathtaking choice in this reasonable reach. The pros are it is effortlessly fashionable. It increases volume and bounce. It also appears appealing and edgy. It is non-flammable. It is washable. After drying, it snaps back to waves. It comes in a set of 4 or 6. Several color options are available. It's affordable. The cons are it's a bit expensive. Number 4, Mira's Mirror Havana Twist Crochet Hair. Short hair is so famous nowadays. Furthermore, if you have short hair, why not add a slight edge to it by brandishing the short Havana wind crochet? Get ideal hair with the Mirror's Mirror Havana Twist Senegalese crochet braid. It is a pre-curled crochet hair that is not difficult to introduce and take off. The crochet turns are perfect, don't tangle, untwist, or frizz, and are made of high temperature, withstanding manufactured fiber. You can twist them into spectacular full-bodied twists or waves. These are lightweight, smooth, and delicate crochet hair in 6 bunches of 27 strands each. They cover the whole head and add a moderate volume to your mane. The best thing about this crochet is that it doesn't smell and has normal-looking closures. You likewise get a free crochet needle and hair rings with this pack. The pros are, it features high temperature tolerance. It is pre-looped. It's simple to put on and take off. Inventive twists. It does not tangle. It has ends that appear natural. It increases volume. Also, it covers the entire head and comes in a variety of colors. Crochet needles and hair rings are provided for free. It is cheap. The cons are, after a few uses, the hair may frizz. If the twists are soaked in water, they may unravel. Number 5, Flying Spring Twist Crochet Hair. One more choice for adding the correct style to your short hair is the Flying Spring Jamaican Bounce Crochet Hair Extensions. Give yourself the bohemian hair look with these super looped spring twists that add a glad ricochet to your usual hairdo. The material of this hair crochet is delicate, without tangle, and is only evolved to look like the touch and feel of human hair. It is regular looking, lightweight, and takes into account boiling water interlaces. 3 bunches of 30 strands cover the entire head, and there are different shadings and choices to browse. You can utilize them consistently or for an uncommon event or formal occasion. The pros are, the fiber is entirely Japanese. It's lightweight and soft. It is identical to human hair. Spring twists on the Jamaican Bounce. Jamaican twist braid hair is long-lasting. It covers the entire head, adds bounce, and allows hot water braids. Several color options are available. The cons are, it's not 100% tangle-free. Crochet hairstyles process. Here are 6 easy steps to getting crochet hair. Make cornrows. Insert a crochet needle between the cornrows. Place the hair close to the latch hook. To make a loop, pull the needle. Pass the needle through the loop with the tails on one side. Do it one more time to be sure. Repeat until the entire head is covered. Who doesn't want their hair to be fluffy, bulky, and glossy? A new hairstyle can completely transform your appearance. Install the best hair for crochet braids to give your hair the needed elevation. It is reasonably priced and will not break the bank. Choose from the mentioned crochet styles. You can show the world how to rock twists, curls, and waves with a good crochet hair extension. Kudos! Ways to prepare your hair for crochet braids. Do the following to prepare your hair for crochet braids. You should shampoo your hair. Apply conditioner to your hair. Shea butter should be applied. Stretch the hair with flexi rods. How to choose the best hair for crochet braids? The following considerations will assist you in selecting the best hair extensions for crochet braids. Select Canicolon hair that is 100% Canicolon. Choose a heat-resistant fiber that can be curled with a flexi rod. The denser the synthetic hair, the less likely it will slip off, and the braids will stay in place for a more extended period. Crochet hair extensions with pre-looped loops are simple to apply. Check to see if the synthetic fiber is flammable. Crochets are quite possibly the most reasonable style recently. However, a few ladies are worried that their look will seem modest or unnatural. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.